Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful Christmas card using the Lights Aglow Suite from the mini catalog. Here's my first card made with the Lights Aglow Suite. I trimmed the edge so you have another chance to show off some of the designer series paper. You can find the suite in the mini catalog on page 30 with all these beautiful samples. It includes 2 bundles, ribbon, pearls, glimmer paper, and festive foils paper and designer series paper. It's a huge suite of beautiful products that you can use to make beautiful cards. So for this card, I used the Brightest Glow stamp set. And then I used the Twinkling Lights dies to cut out the gold snowflake. So I'm gonna start just by embossing this sentiment right here. So I'm gonna grab my embossing buddy and Versamark and sentiment. And embossing powder. And I'm gonna cheat and use a retired punch, but you could use the layering circles dies. I'm going to layer this on a cherry cobbler circle. Now to put the card together, I'm going to start by trimming off just 1 inch of the card. And then I'm going to add some of the beautiful designer series paper. It has gold foil on one side and a design on the other side. And then I have a little 1 inch strip of designer series paper that I'm just going to add across the bottom. Okay, now we can stamp a sentiment inside. So I stamped, hoping your Christmas shines bright with the love of family and friends. And I'm going to use cherry cobbler. So now just a couple finishing touches. I'm just gonna put a couple dimensionals on the snowflake and add that to the center, so pretty. And then I'm gonna use some of the pearls from the suite. And lastly, I'm gonna add some of the gold ribbon. So I'm just gonna add a glue dot to the ribbon and add it to the side. And there is our beautiful Merry and Bright card. I am offering a free card class when you purchase one of the bundles from the suite. It consists of this gorgeous tree easel card and this tree shaker card. So just go to my website and order using my current host code. Email me and let me know that you would like this kit and I can send it right out to you. Thanks so much for watching my video tutorial on this card from the Lights Aglow Suite. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please like and comment on my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I go live or post a new video. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.